Hi Leyuha, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today, guys. Again, Zhou Shen performance. Let me translate. What does that mean? Zhou Shen magician, the voice of the sound of snowfall. Okay, guys, we are turning back again. Zhou Shen most popular songs. I'm surprised when I against opposite them because I watched so many times Zhou Shen video. It surprised me. We are already over the 150 videos actually. That's a lot, right? Anyway, guys, let's see. Let's see and learn. If you guys want more about him, please comment down below, guys. Okay. Looking good already. That's pretty good. By the way, those microphone new generation microphone. My God. Nice. Guys, I wish this video was subtitle. Not. Okay, we are turning the Chinese. It's so good feels. It makes me feel comfortable. Nice. Na, 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 right. Okay. Bro, we are watching so many videos on these days, but it never turned back those channels. Why? Is something problem we have? It he does so many time different shows program. I don't know, but he make it so less. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Wow. Bro, that's nice. We have few killing point, but you made so well. I love it. This is last year? Oh my god. Bro. That part. Woo. Oh my god. OMG. What was that? Let me hear again. This is not real. Last time. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Woo! Zhou Shen, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, guys, let's end. If you guys want more about him, please comment down below and take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.